You could easily wear this for a night out and look great, especially with some darker colors. Hey everybody, Parker York Smith here. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, we are all about building your self-confidence through fashion and lifestyle choices that are not gonna break the bank. If you like the sound of that, join the gang. Today, I am really excited to talk to you guys about high-waisted pants. Now, they may seem like a little bit of a newer trend, but they've actually been around since the 1950s and like the dawn of modern tailoring. And what this means is there is a lot of history with them that you can draw inspiration from while also putting little modern twists on it yourself. Let's get into it. I'll show you what I mean. Very quickly to start, high waist is just anything that's gonna hit right around the top of your hip bone or right near your belly button. Not quite as high as your belly button unless you're going super high waisted, but that's the general area that would constitute a high waist. Different people obviously have different bodies, so it might vary just a little bit for you. In terms of materials, sticking with something similar to a chino pant style like these is really smart just because they're comfortable, they're very versatile, you can wear them in tons of different ways and start to get a lot of practice to sort of build your comfort level. Once you're comfortable there, you can move on into wool trousers and things like that for your dressier looks as well as your more vintage inspired outfits. And finally, if you've done both of those or you just don't really like either of those, try some jeans. They will be a little bit more fashion forward, but they're still really fun to throw into your casual outfits and really boost your style. As I mentioned before, one of the easiest ways to find outfit ideas is just to look back at old men's fashion and then kind of make little modern tweaks where you feel they're necessary. Since it is spring in the US right now, we're gonna start with some slightly warmer outfit ideas. Up first, a polo shirt or a short sleeve button-up shirt tucked into your high-waisted pants is the perfect place to start. It's lightweight, it's breathable, it's not overly bold and stylish, but it does still look really good. It's drawing direct inspiration from those old school outfits. You could easily wear this for a night out and look great, especially with some darker colors, or you could throw it on during the daytime and just be looking really stylish for running around town. For footwear, just base it on your activity, maybe a loafer or a nice pair of boots if you are gonna be wearing it for a night out, something that just makes your look a little bit more dressy. If it's daytime and you're wanting to keep things a little bit more casual, a nice minimal sneaker is perfect just because it's comfortable, it's easy to walk around in, and it's still gonna look really nice with your outfit. If you live somewhere with a warmer climate, you could wear this outfit year-round and look really nice, or during the spring and summertime, it is a perfect go-to. However, if it's cooler this time of year, or you just live somewhere that's cooler all the time, wear all the exact same stuff and then just throw on a jacket or a hoodie or whatever you want to put on the outside to warm yourself up a little bit, and you're still gonna look great. If the chino pant's not so much your style, you prefer to go a little bit more dressy with the trouser style of high-waisted pants, there are two different directions you can go. You can keep your pants as the dressiest part of your outfit and surround them with extremely casual pieces like this, doing a graphic tee and some sneakers with some accessories. This is a perfect outfit when I do want to be a little bit more upscale casual or like fashion forward, but I don't want to be so stuffy in a dress shirt and a blazer or something like that. So you can go in that direction, or you can go the opposite and make the whole outfit a little bit more dressy and look really nice. A dress shirt, sports coat, some dress shoes or loafers. This is a perfect throwback to that classic 1950s tailoring that we mentioned earlier. I also am such a big fan of sports coats right now, the way that the coat matches with the pants, but not so much so that it's an actual suit. They kind of contrast one another. I really, really love that. It's very retro inspired, and this is totally something that you could wear to an outdoor wedding or something that is a little bit more casual. And finally, if you want to try the jeans that I talked about before, leaning into a super 90s vibe, because that's so trending right now and I just think it looks great, is really smart. I really love this pair combined together with an oversized rugby polo. I just think the whole aesthetic works really well. It's kind of old school Ralph Lauren. It's really, really nice, but it's not super dressy. It's a little bit more casual and it just is gonna look great. It's fashion forward, but it's not overly aggressive. It's just nice. It works great with some Converse sneakers, the whole outfit together. It looks like you stepped straight out of the 90s in the best possible way. Okay, so now you know several different ways you can be styling yourself in high-waisted pants, but now it's like, where do I even get these things? My favorite place where I've had the most luck, the thrift store. Yeah, so many people for years and years got rid of all of their high-waisted pants and trousers because they had fallen out of style. So now vintage stores and thrift stores are stocked up on them. Find a pair that fit you nicely in the waist, and then if they're too long, they're too wide, they're too baggy, whatever you want, you can get them tailored. Just make sure they fit in the waist, and the rest of the pant is very easily adjustable. That's what I did with the black ones in that last outfit that I styled. I found them at the thrift store for like $10, and then I think I spent another $10 on getting them tailored, and they're probably my favorite pair of high-waisted pants that I own. But if you prefer not to wear previously owned pants, I can totally understand that. Some other great brands, the chino style that I was wearing are from Basic Rights. They are fantastic. I absolutely love them. They are a little bit on the pricier side, but they're gonna last you a really long time. I don't think they're ever really gonna go out of style because they're not dramatically high-waisted, and they just look great with all kinds of different outfits, as you saw. For more affordable options, ASOS has really good ones. There's tons of different colors and cuts. They can be a little bit baggy, but again, remember, as long as they fit in your waist, you can always get them tailored to be a little bit more tapered or just fitted in different spots. For jeans, I actually got mine from Zara's women's section. Again, don't sleep on the women's section, guys. I think they have absolutely really nice stuff, especially in terms of higher waisted pants. I put some links down in the description for the ones that I'm wearing, as well as some other good options for yourself. So if you want to shop them, you can. I really hope this helped, guys. Don't be shy, jump on the bandwagon. High-waisted pants, they're comfortable, they're stylish, they're super versatile. You can wear them in so many different outfits, as you've seen. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can drop them down in the comments below. You can DM me on Instagram. Be sure you go follow me there, as well as on TikTok, giving out tons of style advice and outfit ideas there. I appreciate you guys. If you enjoyed today's video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, tell a friend about the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.